Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today's video is a random video. I just want to talk to you guys about a lot of things, especially one thing which is very important to me. And second, of course, I have a small little haul that I want to show you guys from Amazon. So let's quickly get started. So today, as I was going through my YouTube studio on my laptop, I saw that today actually marks 8 years to my YouTube channel. I did not really remember it. I just created this channel on a whim some 8 years back while I was studying / working. And I'm really glad to say that in these 8 years, I have gathered a huge family, you know, like you guys are my family, you know that. And I'm so thankful to you guys that you've been through with me in the times when I was not able to post so much. And you've been with me like all this while in this journey. So I'm very thankful to all of you. Like 8 years pehle ye channel start hua tha. I cannot believe that, you know, 8 years have gone by and I'm still making YouTube videos. I feel very blessed and I feel very thankful. There are certain days when we go through a lot of ups and downs. I think it happens with all of us. Like mere saath to especially bahut zyada hota hai, and some days like genuinely I feel ki why? There's just one question, why? Not why me, why this, why that. It's just why. Like why? Why my bad decisions always come in the way of my progress? Why, do I not think before doing something or committing to something? I feel like I'm emotionally sort of very immature even today, and that sometimes backfires. I'm not talking about any particular incident, but there are definitely times when you feel low, when you feel like how will I even go through all of this? Like, how will I manage? But there is just one satisfaction to every problem in this life. I feel like एक चीज है जो बहुत satisfying है, एक चीज है जो बहुत hope देती है, and it is that eventually our time here on planet Earth is limited, it is short, and eventually everything is going to be over for everybody. So nothing is here to stay. We all are mortals and eventually everything comes to an end. So of course the problems and all the depression and all the delusions and every bad decision and everything, the consequences and everything will come to an end. But of course that does not mean that you kind of, take every bad decision and then leave it on the fact that everything is going to end one day. Of course, I do find comfort in the fact that eventually everything is going to end. And I feel like we should make a life which is worthy of living, which is contributing towards something or someone, and which is a little meaningful, I feel like, So, yeah, eventually everything is going to come to an end. So enjoy your meals, enjoy your days, enjoy your family, friends, relations, your work, and most of all, enjoy yourself, enjoy your life. You're breathing every single day when you wake up in the morning with everything intact and your health in absolute bloom. I think we should be very grateful and thankful. So today, because it marks 8 years to this channel, I feel slightly emotional and I feel like, I'm very thankful for everything that has happened. I'm very thankful that I created this channel in the first place. I'm very thankful to God for all of you, for my friends, for family, for the work that I do, for the books that I read, for the food that I eat. And I feel genuinely, I feel blessed. Of course, you have times when you question everything, like I said before, but eventually that is life. So I am sort of changing perspective towards things, and also the background. How do you like this background? This is nothing. This is where I keep my light and my camera. Like when you see my sofa, this is what I see. When you see the sofa, this is what I see in front of me. So today I thought I'm going to put the camera in front of the sofa and I'm going to sit here. Upper TV, there's this mosquito here that is distracting me. So I thought today I'm going to sit here and sort of a little change of background. I'm also thinking of kind of removing that sofa because I feel like we all deserve a bit of change after 8 years, and I think practically 6 years of the same sofa. Like I am emotionally attached to my sofa, but I think I have to let it go to bring something new and fresh to the frame. So hopefully you will see a slightly new background in a couple of days or months. I'm not really sure, but yes, abhi isse kaam chalate hain. Guys, one thing I have to mention here to all my giveaway winners, Sikandar ka haath fracture ho gaya tha, so I could not really dispatch your bags, and I'm doing it shortly. Like I think I'll do it tomorrow. I have finished packing your gift. I have to just print the address sticker and stuff, and I have to post it. So please be patient with me. I'm really sorry for the delay, but you'll be very happy when you receive your gift. So that is something I wanted to convey here, because I've been getting DMs and stuff. So it is going to be dispatched to you very, very soon if you're watching this video. So please be rest assured. It's already 5 in the evening, so I feel like I should wait till tomorrow morning to kind of dispatch it, courier it, and I will inform you guys through your DMs, okay? With all that being said, I want to share something with you guys that I purchased from Amazon. Amazon is my one-stop shop. Like, I purchase from there all the time, everything. I think I don't even have to mention it कि मेरा घर का हर एक चीज is from Amazon. I'm not even ashamed to tell you guys, because I generally do not go out, and I depend a lot on Amazon for all the stuff like grocery, homeware, fashion, everything. I want to show you guys some stuff that I've purchased from Amazon, and some of these are holy grails for me. Some of these I've tried for the first time and I have loved them. So yeah, let's quickly get started. I'm going to leave list and link of everything in the description box below, just in case if you're interested in these items and you want to purchase it. Do you have to buy it for sure? No, not at all. Purchase it only when you require it and need it, not on your whim, okay? So let's quickly get started. The first thing, I'm going to start with a new thing. I got this eyeshadow palette. This is very beautiful palette. If you've been following this channel, you know that I'm a fan of Makeup Revolution London. Now it is called as just Revolution, but initially iska naam Makeup Revolution London tha, and I swear by their banana powder, and I swear by their eyeshadow palette. I think I have repeatedly told you guys, and I also use their brow powder. Like, even today I use their brow powder. It's amazing. So Makeup, Revolution shadow palette, and this is called as, I think, Eternal. I just received it today. This is Forever Dynamic Eternal. This is still called as Makeup Revolution London. I do not know the exact naming of it, but here on this palette it only says Revolution, but at the back on the sticker it says Makeup Revolution London. Let's quickly talk about this palette. Like, guys, I purchased this for around 500 rupees. And this seems like such a high-end palette. This is kind of giving me that vibe of Naked palette. वैसे लग रहा है उसका mini palette, and I'm going to kind of throw in a picture over here, and I feel like I regret not buying this palette because it has more shades in it, and the price is of course doubled, but all the shades except the pink one is really, really wearable. Like, I love that is Sikandar's Siren. I really love all the shades, all the eyeshadows in the palette, but I think I got this one, and this is also very, very wearable. First of all, I'm a fan of the packaging. Like, this is proper tin packaging, and when you open it, you get a full actual mirror. There would be slight bit of a reflection, but there is actual full mirror. And when you talk about the shades, guys, there's name to every single shade, and the shades are amazing. Like, I can't even tell you guys. The shade which is called a Shine, which is this one, is actually very, what do I say? I don't even have word for it except sparkly, and it is beautiful. It is blinding sparkle. Like, it's beautiful. This shade, even if I take it on my finger, you'll be able to see. This is like, I can't even begin to show you guys. I'm going to give you a close-up everything if you want to see, but it is just so beautiful that I can't tell you. The rest of the other shades are beautiful except this pink one. I think I'm not going to be using this as much, or maybe I'm going to mix it up with a darker shade and use it. I'm not really sure, but the rest of the shadows are just mind-blowing, and the way it blends is amazing. The pigmentation is really good. Like, I have hit pan on several of my eyeshadow palettes from Makeup Revolution London. I absolutely love this brand, not for the quality, the color payoff and everything, but also I feel like price point is very appropriate. I think for under 1,000 rupees, you'll get a decent size palette. This is the first thing that I want to show you guys. If you are in need of an eyeshadow palette, which you can take it from day to night, this is the one you should go for. But 2 shades are matte, and then rest of the shades are shimmery and like that. So of course you can use it. You can use this shade in the inner corner. You can use this shade in the inner corner. You can use this shade as a topper, and all the other shades. Pink, I'm not sure if we'll be using. I'm not really sure. At least I will not use this pink shade, but rest of the other shades are just so amazing, and it is great for the day and night. Like, I love the packaging. I love how compact it is, and the fact that, you know, it has all the beautiful shades. So I would highly recommend this palette. Like, highly recommend. This is so good. I'm very happy with this purchase of mine. Next purchase is amazing, and I cannot thank Malvika Sitlani enough for kind of introducing this hair oil to me. This is Indē Wild Champi hair oil, and this is, I think, 50 ml ka bottle. It's very expensive, like more expensive than my Zara perfume. Like 1,000 rupees ka ye oil hota hai for 50 ml. But it is so good, guys. Like, of late, I am losing a lot of hair. Call it age, call it depression, call it tension, call it whatever, and heat. And of course, no, I've not gone through any treatment as of now, but yes, I do kind of use heat in my hair. I don't even remember really ki last time kab Champi kiya tha. I've never been loyal to my hair oils. Never. Like, that is one thing I really fret. And I wash my hair every single day. So I really physically torture my hair. And this one has come to my rescue. I have used it a lot. Like, I use it almost twice a week. This is so good. Like, this is amazing. I've also used Kama Ayurveda's Bhringraj, Amla something it is called as, and that is also very good. It is very difficult to kind of take out that oil and that, you know, smell from the hair even after shampoo. So, isliye I stopped using Kama Ayurveda, even though I love Kama's products. But this one is amazing. This is very lightweight, very patla, very thin. So it's like, you know, little goes a long way. I just need a few squirts here and there, and I just do the Champi and it's sorted, and I just leave it in my hair for 2 to 3 hours and just wash it off. So it is very good. The fragrance is slightly kind of strong. And if you don't like that Amla and Chameli and all that, I have kind of gotten used to this. And it came in a box and everything, and it is so good. It just feels so luxurious. It is a glass bottle, so you have to be very careful, because when you're applying oil, the bottle can get slippery. So you have to be very careful to not drop it. It is expensive, guys, but so much worth the money. Like Indē Wild hair oil. Like, if you've not tried it, and if you are facing hair fall issues, you'll definitely, you know, notice a difference with this one. Like, मेरा first Champi से ही I started noticing a difference in my hair fall. And I'm almost halfway through, so I'm going to definitely repurchase it. Next up, I want to show you guys one holy grail, and really, I got this for free. I got this Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid. I've purchased it on my own. I have also been on their PR list. I have gone through everything with this product. This is the best hyaluronic acid serum so far, I feel like, and I will continue to purchase it. Of course, I don't have to mention anything about it. I have spoken a million times about it, and definitely I'll be repurchasing it. But now over to a perfume. Guys, Plum. Now, I have heard a lot of things about it. I have heard a lot of people talk a lot of different things about it. I'm a perfume hoarder. I'm a perfume lover. I'm a perfume student. Call me anything perfume. And Sana has to be there. Plum. This one I wanted to try out for the longest time ever. This is Vanilla Caramello, and yes, it definitely comes in this really big bulky packaging. It says a lot of things over here, like fragrance ka notes is vanilla, almond, Turkish, pistachio, jasmine petals. The base note is sandalwood, salted caramel, and everything. Like, forget about what it says on the packaging. It smells delicious. It smells gourmand. It smells very expensive, rich and expensive and luxurious. For I think around 500 600 rupees. This is originally for $8.99. It is always on sale, and this is the best perfume in the range that you can lay your hands on. Trust me, I have so many perfumes, but this one has my heart. This smells very expensive. Once you wear it, honestly, nobody can tell that you're wearing a perfume worth 800 rupees. Like, it is so good, and it is very long lasting. It definitely opens up with the warmth of pista, but I also feel a bit of oranginess into it, a bit of fruitiness in the opening notes, and then it goes on to really beautiful you know, notes of vanilla and caramel, salted caramel. How do you get salt in a perfume? I'm not sure, but it does not smell sweet. It smells salty caramel with hint of vanilla. It is so gourmand, and it is so delicious. Honestly, Plum has done a very good job with this perfume. Like, honestly, if you've seen my perfume videos, and if you've gone through any recommendation of mine, and if you've liked that perfume, please just blind buy this. You will not regret it at all. It is so good. Really, very good. And will I repurchase it? Of course, definitely, hands down. Maybe I'll buy it today because I know it's going to go out of stock. It is almost out of stock every time. So this is very good. Vanilla Caramello. I'm going to try the other perfumes as well. If you know any other perfume which is like very good but is sasta, let me know. I will definitely try it. So yeah, this is my #1 recommendation from this video. This Plum Body Loving EDP Vanilla Caramello, like hands down one of the best perfumes in the budget that I've tried so far. Like, and I also have a video on Zara perfumes coming up very soon. So yeah, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel if you are not already, because I'm very excited for that video really. So this one, oh my god, I really do not want to stop talking about it, but I have to. This is so good, guys. Please try this out and let me know what you think about it. And if you've already tried it out, let me know you know, your thoughts on it. I would love it, and people will find it very useful in the comment section. So that was that. Moving on to two of my holy grail products. Like, honestly, I cannot finish an Amazon haul without this. Like, every day I apply this. I have applied tons of serums and everything on my hair. Nothing comes close to this. Like, my drawer, my hair care ka jo drawer hai na, is full of this. Like, I cannot afford to be without this serum any single day. This is L'Oreal Total Repair 5 Smoothening and Repairing Serum. I'm sure you are aware about it. This is one OG cult product from L'Oreal, and this is one of the best hair serums. I feel like this is also not very expensive for $3.99. Always available on sale. Always go for the bigger bottle because this is much more economic that way. And this is so good. Once you apply it, your hair feels like, wow, delicious, like silky and soft and smooth, and very manageable. So I always apply it on my damp hair. I've tried Vela, I have tried Streaks, I've tried a lot of hair serums like Mama Earth and other hair serums, but this one is the best. The last but not the least, this is the day cream. This is the Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Cream. This is the serum, this is the day cream, and oh my god, it smells so delicious. This is like a mousse, no, a gel consistency. This is like applying thick water on your face, and it smells delicious, guys. I have a very sensitive skin, and my skin breaks out like this. Like, kuch bhi kar lo, my skin will break out in the morning. This one doesn't do that, so I really love this product a lot. Like, yes, guys, that was everything in this video of mine. Everything will be linked in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is the chai time, so make sure that you have your tea and cup of coffee or something, because I will be making my cup of coffee, and a lot of other eatable stuff as well that I want to show you guys, which I have tried from Amazon, and I really love them. So I think in my next video, or in my favorites video, I'll be showing you guys a ton of stuff. Like, really, I'll be bombarding you guys with a lot of my favorite stuff. And this year I plan on doing favorites every single month. I mean, I think I'll try my best. I'll try my super best, okay? And those things are just amazing. Like, whatever I would show you, especially khane wali cheezein, are so good. Like, my mouth had started to water already. So I'll make myself a cup of coffee or a cup of chai. You go grab your cup of coffee and chai. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. 8 years to this channel. And if you've been with me since the last 8 years, thank you so much. And congratulations to you guys as well for sticking and putting up with me. Really, like, it's a task. So thank you so much for being my friend here, for being my family actually here on my channel, and for, you know, going through with every up and down with me, and for checking up on me when I am not posting videos. So thank you so much to all of you, like people who subscribed today, people who subscribed to my channel 8 years back. I'm so thankful to all of you, like genuinely very thankful to all of you. So 8 years to my channel, and I already feel so blessed and so happy. Let's take it forward. Please be subscribed to my channel, like this video if you've liked it, comment in the comment section anything that you want to say, and this year I'll be replying to all the comments that I get. Yes, if you do not follow me on Instagram, I'm going to leave my Insta handle over here. It's very simple. It's sanarab7. You can find me, you can follow me, and it's more personal on Instagram. If you feel like you want to be my friend, you can follow me there. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video very soon. Oh, I forgot to mention one thing. Do you guys see this earring? This is beautiful. And I have tons of jewelry that I got from this particular brand, which I'm not going to tell you right now. I am so in love with their jewelry that I am like always scrolling through their jewelry. I am very accessorized girl. Like, accessorized London ka jewelry is the jewelry that I wear. Of course, I wear only artificial jewelry. To accessorize ka jewelry, because they are so much value for money on sale, or wo zyada lambe tak chal jata hai. And also much more jewelry that I purchased from Karol Bagh, because now I stay in West Delhi. Karol Bagh thoda mushkil ho jata hai jana, and I feel like much more say better quality is particular brand ki hai. I love this earring 2 bits. I cannot even begin to tell you guys, and I have a lot of jewelry from them. And if you want to see, or if you're a fan of jewelry, you know, not purchasing, just watching, let me know. I can do a whole video for you, because I think I have accumulated some 12-13 pieces from them, and it's beautiful. The quality is amazing. It's just that, you know, artificial jewelry here, it's going to die down one day, so store it well. That's the only way. But of course I'm going to keep it for years, I feel like, because I store it well and I keep it dry. This is amazing. So let me know if you want to watch a jewelry haul. Like, this is amazing, and I love this brand. So yeah, thank you so much once again for watching, and thank you so much for bearing with me through all this rambling. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, I love you so much.